One dark and silent night, Emperor Akbar was restless after his dinner. He decided to get some fresh air and stepped out onto his balcony. The emperor's chamber had a beautiful view of the Yamuna river, and he gazed softly at the flowing water. As the emperor looked down at the water, he heard the sound of the waves hitting the riverbank. Emperor Akbar thought to himself,
The splashing of the waves sounds like a woman crying. Strange. I feel as if the Yamuna is weeping at the sight of me.
The emperor became worried and thought,
Is Yamuna trying to tell me something? Have I caused her sadness? I must know the answer.
He spent the rest of the night thinking about it, but no answer came to him. The next morning in court, Emperor Akbar was determined to get an answer from his courtiers. The emperor said,
Last night, I believe the Yamuna began crying at the sight of me. I do not know why. Can anyone tell me why such a thing happened?
The courtiers came up with several different explanations. One elderly courtier said, I have the answer, Jahanpana. Yamuna must be in pain and she wants your help. Another courtier said, No, Jahanpana. I think Yamuna was shedding tears of joy upon seeing you. A third courtier stated,
Oh, Your Majesty, Yamuna is in distress. People have soiled her waters and she was grieving.
Emperor Akbar was not pacified by the explanations, so he turned to Birbal.
I want your opinion, Birbal. I have never knowingly harmed the waters of Yamuna. So why would she cry when she saw me?
Birbal said,
Sire, I believe the answer lies in the fact that the Yamuna river is the daughter of the Himalayas. She is flowing to join her husband, the sea. While going on this long journey, she met you, Your Majesty.
And you suggest that because of this she began to weep, Birbal?
said the emperor.
Yes, Your Majesty, but not for the reason you think. You resemble the Himalayas in fame and stature. Upon seeing you, she was reminded of her father and felt homesick. And that is why she began to cry, my lord.
The emperor's face broke into a smile. He was convinced by Birbal's flattering explanation. He said,
Birbal, you're a genius.
Thank you, Jahanpana,
replied Birbal. Once again, Birbal's quick wit had come to the emperor's rescue.